Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com, and we are moving with the Binary Options Academy projects into a territory that is very dear to me, if you want. I'm talking about triangles. These triangles are the most common consolidation patterns of them all, especially on the currency markets. But if you consider that the binary options trading is mainly based on currency markets, in the sense that the binary options are being offered, or the financial products that binary options can be traded on are represented by the currency pairs. I mean, take a look how many currency pairs we have listed, and these are not all. If you go and show all, take a look in here, how many opportunities we are talking about, then it is only normal. But not only on the currency markets, on other markets as well. Triangles, first of all, it should be noted, so let's write here that we are talking about triangles, but not any kind of a triangles, but a bit of a special triangles. First of all, every trader should know that a triangle triangles are coming into are falling into two different categories. The two different categories are triangles that are contracting or triangles that are expanding. So what does it mean, contracting or expanding? It has to do with the trend lines of the triangle. Contracting triangle is looking like this. Basically, we will go with A, B, C, D, E, and then market breaks higher. The contracting triangle or the contracting aspect is being given by the fact that this, or the upper side of the triangle, the A and C trend line so-called, and the B to D trend line like this, they are contracting, they are converging towards a common point into the future. An expanding triangle, on the other hand, it is looking like this. A, B, C, D, E, and then market breaks higher. What's the expanding triangle? This is the expanding triangle. This would be the B to D trend line. This would be the A and C trend line. And the fact that the two trend lines are not meeting anywhere on the right side represents the very definition of an expanding triangle. Now, these are the classical triangles that you will find in textbook materials and so on and so forth, but there are also some special triangles. I mean, take a look in here. From my point of view, this one from here to here is nothing but a contracting triangle that starts from here. A contracting triangle goes with the following, like we said. Wave A, the first move to the upside, wave A, and then the B wave, and then the C wave, and then the D wave, and then the E wave like this. Well, if we said that this is a triangle that has five segments, then again we gotta take the A and C and the B to D trend line. So this would be the A and C trend line, the B to D trend line, and this would be the A and C trend line. What's so special about this triangle? Well, this is a triangle that has, or that is piercing the A and C trend line. Well, that is extremely important because this is not happening on each and every type of a triangle, but only in the so-called triangles that are breaking or piercing the C and E trend line. So how is this one going to be traded? Well, first of all, you are looking at it if it is acting as a continuation or a reversal pattern. In this case, it is obviously that it is acting as a continuation pattern. So the thing to do is to go and take a put options here, and then by the time the A and C trend line is being pierced or broken, then to take another one in here. Why? We need to see if the triangle indeed goes and breaks the B to D trend line, because after the B to D trend line is broken here, we want to see for a continuation, right? Why not? This kind of triangles appear in specific situations, and in the second part we will look at those specific situations, as well as the fact that we will look at how to interpret this kind of triangle with the options and with the expiration date chosen or calibrated based on what we have on the time frame that the triangle is appearing. Thank you very much for being here, and let's move on with the second part, please.